The Ombudsman helps people deal with central and local government in New Zealand. We handle complaints against government agencies, seek resolution and carry out investigations and inspections. We give feedback and guidance to agencies to help them improve and initiate wider investigations where we see the need. The Ombudsman is independent from both government and the public. We have 6 main jobs. 1. Fair treatment by government agencies. If you think you've been treated badly by a government agency and you aren't happy with their response to your complaint, we might be able to help you. 2. Official information requests. You can ask for information from a government agency or a minister. If you're unhappy with the response to your information request, you can complain to us. 3. Listening to reports of serious wrongdoing. If you think someone at your workplace, at a public or private organisation, has done something very wrong, you can talk to us. This is called whistleblowing or making a protected disclosure. 4. Monitoring places of detention. We monitor places of detention such as prisons, secure aged care units and mental health facilities to make sure they are looking after people in the right way. 5. Making sure disabled people are treated fairly. We make sure the government is making the rights in the Disability Convention real for disabled people. 6. Supporting children, young people and whānau already engaged with Oranga Tamariki. We can investigate issues and receive complaints about Oranga Tamariki or its care and custody providers. You can find more information here on our website at ombudsman.parliament.nz.